Welcome to Healthy Over 60, your go-to channel for staying healthy, living longer, and thriving every day. Discover tips on healthy eating, natural remedies, and science-backed habits. Subscribe now and turn on notifications for valuable insights.
Your liver is the engine of your body. Your liver is more than just an organ. It's the powerhouse that fuels your body's daily functions. It detoxifies your system, breaks down fats, metabolizes nutrients, and processes medications. But here's the shocking part. When it starts to fail, the signs are often subtle, strange, and easy to overlook. Let me introduce Alex, a 38-year-old office worker. He was always tired, his skin itched constantly, and he blamed it all on stress. One day, Alex noticed yellowing in his eyes. When he went to the doctor, he discovered early-stage liver damage. Luckily, by making the right lifestyle changes, Alex reversed the damage and regained his health. But what if Alex had waited too long? Here's a jaw-dropping fact. Over 2 million deaths worldwide are linked to liver disease annually, according to the World Health Organization. Even scarier, most of these cases are preventable if caught early. In today's video, we're uncovering 12 unusual signs that your liver might be crying out for help. Some of these are surprising. You might not even associate them with your liver. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share 6 science-backed ways to naturally cleanse, heal, and protect your liver. Your liver doesn't send obvious warning signals like pain or swelling until significant damage has occurred. Instead, it communicates through subtle clues. Let's explore these 12 signs that your liver might be in trouble. 1. Persistent fatigue and brain fog. Fatigue isn't just feeling tired after a long day. Liver-related fatigue feels like waking up drained even after a full night's rest. Add in brain fog, trouble concentrating, forgetfulness, and confusion, and even simple tasks become overwhelming. Why does this happen? A damaged liver struggles to filter toxins efficiently, leading to their accumulation in your bloodstream. This overload forces your body to work harder, leaving you feeling exhausted. 2. Pale, clay-colored, or floating stool. Your stool is like a health report card. When your liver isn't producing enough bile, your stool may appear pale, clay-colored, or even float due to undigested fats. Why does this matter? Bile is crucial for breaking down fats. A liver that's not functioning properly disrupts this process, leading to digestive issues. Practical tip. If you notice changes in stool color or consistency, start incorporating fiber-rich foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, and oatmeal. However, persistent changes warrant a visit to your doctor. 3. Yellow or white bumps around the eyes. Xanthelasma. Have you noticed small, yellowish bumps near your eyes? These cholesterol deposits, called xanthelasma, often signal liver dysfunction. What causes them? When your liver struggles to break down fats, cholesterol builds up in your bloodstream and deposits in various areas, including around the eyes. 4. Dark urine or yellowing skin. Jaundice. Dark urine and yellowing skin are signs of jaundice, which occurs when your liver can't process bilirubin properly. This buildup causes a yellow tint in the skin and eyes. Scientific fact: jaundice often signals advanced liver dysfunction, such as hepatitis or cirrhosis. Immediate medical attention is crucial. 5. Pain or discomfort on the right side. Do you feel pressure or pain under your right ribs after eating fatty meals? This could indicate inflammation in your liver or thick, sludgy bile that isn't flowing properly. Pro tip: switch to smaller, low-fat meals to reduce liver strain while you seek medical advice. 6. Swelling in the feet and ankles. Edema. Edema occurs when your liver produces less albumin, a protein responsible for regulating fluid balance. This leads to swelling, particularly in the lower extremities. Practical advice: while reducing sodium may temporarily help, addressing the underlying liver issue is the key to resolving edema. 7. Spider veins or red patches on skin. These tiny, web-like blood vessels are caused by hormonal imbalances linked to liver dysfunction. They're commonly found on the chest, face, or neck. 8. Cracked heels or persistent dry skin. Your skin is often a mirror of your internal health. Dry, cracked heels might indicate liver-related deficiencies in essential nutrients like vitamin B3 and omega-3 fatty acids. 9. Persistent itching, without rash. Unexplained itching is a common symptom of liver problems. It occurs when bile acids accumulate under your skin due to reduced bile flow. The incredible news is that your liver has a unique ability to heal itself. Unlike other organs, it can regenerate damaged tissue and restore its functionality if you give it the right tools. This means that no matter where you are in your health journey, there are actionable steps you can take today to help your liver recover and thrive. Below, we'll dive into 6 powerful, science-backed methods to naturally heal and protect your liver. 1. Turmeric and coffee, a powerful combo. Turmeric and coffee might seem like an unlikely duo, but together, they create a formidable defense against liver damage. Turmeric. This golden spice is celebrated for its active compound, curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is a key driver of liver damage, particularly in conditions like fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Curcumin works by blocking specific pathways that lead to inflammation, reducing stress on the liver, and promoting tissue repair. Science-backed benefits. Studies published in journals like Liver International show that curcumin helps lower levels of liver enzymes associated with inflammation and damage. It also reduces liver fat accumulation and fibrosis, scarring. How to use it? Add a teaspoon of turmeric to your morning smoothie, or mix it with warm water and black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption. Consider supplements containing curcumin extract for a concentrated dose, but consult a doctor for appropriate dosage. Coffee. You may have heard that coffee is bad for your health, but when it comes to your liver, it's actually a superstar. Coffee has been shown to lower the risk of liver fibrosis, scarring, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. What makes it effective? Coffee contains antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and cafestol, which protect liver cells from damage. It also reduces inflammation and lowers fat buildup in the liver. How much is enough? Research suggests that 2-3 cups of black coffee daily, without sugar or cream, provides the maximum liver protective benefits. However, moderation is key. Overindulging may lead to digestive discomfort or sleep issues. 2. Lemon water for hydration and detox. Hydration is essential for liver health, and lemon water is a simple yet effective way to support this vital organ's detoxification process. Why lemon? Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and reduces oxidative stress in the liver. They also contain citrus flavonoids, which boost liver enzyme activity and help flush out toxins. How it helps bile production. The liver produces bile to break down fats and remove waste. Lemon juice stimulates bile production, improving digestion and reducing the liver's workload. Daily ritual. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into 8 to 10 ounces of water and drink it slowly. Add a pinch of turmeric or ginger for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Why warm water? Warm water enhances the absorption of nutrients and kickstarts your digestive system, amplifying the liver's detoxifying effects. Long-term benefits. Regular consumption of lemon water can improve digestion, prevent gallstones, and reduce symptoms of bloating, all signs of a healthier liver. 3. Add liver-supporting foods. Your diet plays a pivotal role in liver health. By incorporating specific nutrient-dense foods, you can give your liver the fuel it needs to function optimally. Top liver-friendly foods to include: 1. Garlic. Packed with sulfur compounds, Garlic activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. It also contains selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidant activity. 2. Broccoli and kale. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts are rich in glucosinolates, compounds that enhance the liver's detoxification pathways. They also help balance hormones, reducing the risk of hormone-related liver issues. 3. Dandelion root. Known for its liver-cleansing properties, dandelion root supports bile flow and reduces fat accumulation in the liver. It's commonly consumed as a tea. 4. Beets. Beets contain betaines, which support detoxification and reduce inflammation. They also improve blood flow to the liver. How to incorporate these foods? Add garlic to soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables. Blend kale or spinach into your morning smoothie. Drink dandelion root tea daily as a gentle liver cleanse. Roast or juice fresh beets for a delicious and nutrient-packed treat. Pro tip: create a liver-boosting salad with baby spinach, shredded beets, avocado, and a lemon turmeric dressing for a meal that's both delicious and healing. 4. Avoid sugar and processed foods. If there's one enemy to your liver's health, it's excess sugar and processed foods. These dietary culprits are major contributors to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a condition affecting millions worldwide. How sugar harms your liver. Excess fructose, commonly found in sugary drinks and processed snacks, is converted into fat in the liver. Over time, this leads to fat buildup, inflammation, and scarring. The dangers of processed foods. Highly processed foods are often loaded with trans fats, artificial additives, and preservatives that burden the liver. These substances are difficult for the liver to process, diverting its energy away from essential functions like detoxification. Practical tips: eliminate sugary drinks like soda and fruit juices. Instead, opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water with fruits like cucumber and mint. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Focus on fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Read ingredient labels to avoid products with high fructose corn syrup, hydrogenated oils, or artificial sweeteners. 5. Switch to healthy fats. The type of fat you consume can make or break your liver health. Inflammatory fats, like those found in fried foods and processed oils, can worsen liver damage. Conversely, healthy fats nourish your liver and reduce inflammation. Best fats for liver health. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil has been shown to improve liver enzyme levels and reduce fat accumulation. Avocado. A powerhouse of healthy fats, avocado also contains glutathione, a compound that aids in detoxification. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts are excellent sources of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, which combat liver inflammation. What to avoid? Trans fats in margarine, baked goods, and fast food. Refined vegetable oils like soybean and corn oil. How to use healthy fats. Drizzle olive oil over salads or roasted vegetables. Snack on a handful of raw almonds or walnuts. Add avocado slices to your sandwiches or smoothies. 6. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, isn't just a weight loss trend. It's a scientifically proven method to improve liver health. Fasting gives your liver a much-needed break, allowing it to focus on detoxification and repair instead of processing food 24/7. How it works. When you fast, your body shifts into a fat-burning state, reducing liver fat and inflammation. This is especially beneficial for those with fatty liver disease or metabolic syndrome. Types of fasting to try. 1. 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. For example, have your first meal at noon and your last meal by 8 p.m. 2. 5.2 method. Eat normally for 5 days a week, Then consume a reduced calorie diet, around 500 to 600 calories, on 2 non-consecutive days. Benefits beyond the liver. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce oxidative stress, and promote overall metabolic health. Pro tip: during your eating window, focus on liver-friendly foods and avoid processed snacks or sugary treats to maximize the benefits of fasting. These 6 strategies aren't just about improving your liver, they're about enhancing your overall quality of life. Start small by incorporating 1 or 2 tips and gradually build from there. Remember, consistency is the key to long-term results. Your liver is resilient, but it needs your support to function at its best. Your liver is resilient, but it needs your help. If you've noticed any of these signs, don't wait. Schedule a checkup with your doctor and start implementing these simple changes today. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe for more health tips. Your liver is your life. Protect it.